Hey there, are you looking to lose weight and get in shape, but not sure where to start with creating a workout plan? Well, you've come to the right place. I'm here to help you create a personalized workout plan that will help you achieve your weight loss goals. First things first, let's talk about setting realistic and attainable goals. Losing weight can be a daunting task, but by setting specific and measurable goals, you'll be able to track your progress and stay motivated. Whether it's losing a certain number of pounds or fitting into a specific pair of jeans, make sure your goal is something that you truly want and will work hard to achieve. Next, let's talk about the importance of consistency. When it comes to working out and losing weight, consistency is key. It's important to make working out a regular part of your routine, whether that's 3 times a week or 6 times a week. The key is to find a schedule that works for you and stick to it. So, what kind of exercises should you include in your workout plan? The truth is, there's no one-size-fits-all answer to this question. It's important to mix up your workouts and include a variety of exercises that target different muscle groups. For example, include cardio exercises such as running or cycling to burn calories and increase your heart rate. And also, include strength training exercises such as weightlifting or bodyweight exercises to build muscle and increase your metabolism. But don't forget about the importance of rest and recovery. Your body needs time to repair and rebuild after a workout, so it's important to include rest days in your plan. This will help prevent injury and ensure that you're able to give your all during your next workout. Now, let's talk about nutrition. A healthy diet is just as important as a consistent workout routine when it comes to losing weight. Eating a balanced diet that includes a variety of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains will provide your body with the nutrients it needs to fuel your workouts and support weight loss. Here are 10 key points. 1. Set realistic and attainable goals. Decide on specific, measurable weight loss goals to work towards and track progress. 2. Create a consistent workout schedule. Determine how often you can realistically work out and stick to a schedule. 3. Incorporate a variety of exercises. Mix up your workouts by including exercises that target different muscle groups, such as cardio and strength training. 4. Allow for rest and recovery. Include rest days in your plan to prevent injury and ensure your body has time to repair. 5. Maintain a healthy diet. Eating a balanced diet, rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains, is crucial for weight loss. 6. Keep track of progress. Use tools such as a workout journal or a fitness tracking app to monitor progress and stay motivated. 7. Adjust as needed. Stay flexible and adjust your workout plan as needed, based on your progress and goals. 8. Consider hiring a personal trainer for guidance, motivation, and an individualized workout plan. 9. Get support from friends, family, or online communities. Having a support system can help you stay motivated and on track. 10. Stay positive, be patient, and don't give up. Remember, weight loss is a journey and it takes time. Don't be too hard on yourself and celebrate small wins along the way. In conclusion, creating a workout plan for weight loss doesn't have to be complicated. By setting realistic and attainable goals, being consistent with your workouts, mixing up your exercises, and including rest days and a healthy diet, you'll be on your way to achieving your weight loss goals in no time. Remember, weight loss is a journey, be kind to yourself and don't give up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.